What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Of course, there's Audio J. I was over here sneezing. Sorry about that. There we go. You guys see your messages coming through? All right. Good morning. Good morning. How we all doing, squad? What's up? What's up? What's up? Let's do this. How's everybody's weekend? Good, bad, in between? I want to make sure that chat box doesn't take up the whole screen. Here we go. Awesome. So I don't know how to update the subscriber goal. Obviously 70K is the goal towards the end of the month, but we are at 65,785. So maybe we hit 70K, maybe we don't, but hey. Yeah, I don't know how to get it to work. I don't know why it's being like that. It's a couple hundred behind. This guy in T-Bull just said, made 3K already, live in Sweden. Thanks to your videos on YouTube, I study all weekend. Boom. Started reading the book over the weekend. I like it. Had the drill, hey. It happens. My weekend was nice and relaxed. No complaints. But SPY did go up and hit 52-week highs on Friday. And guess what? My one reject area that I was watching was SPY. Previous 52-week highs. And I was not here to take it. Unfortunately, I'm a little upset about that because SPY dropped about like $2 after that, I think. Or like $1 or something. Let's see. Ran up, it hit it. And it fell, yeah, about $1. Not bad. Would have been a nice put scalp. But we got a little gap down overnight. Obviously, we're going to do our analysis first on ES, and then we're going to go from there. Alrighty. So, let's take off this VWAP. Boom. Oh, I mean, we just tested that daily 21 EMA, so I'm not too interested in that for a bounce. Still interested in that daily demand if we got over there. As far as a reject, would be interested in 46.34. Previous 52-week high. I don't believe we got any other good demand inside. Actually, yes, we do. We have one right here, but we're currently testing it. So if I'm really going to be interested in a level, it's going to be that that daily demand. Yeah, so we're already testing the area. Plus, we actually do have a fib. Question is, okay, we got very close. 45.80. I'll watch it for a bounce. But we already got very, very close, about, what, a 1.5 away. So, I'll watch it. Would have preferred if we waited, but if we can hold it at the end of this 4-hour candle close, maybe we can just look for an uptrend entry. So, we'll see with that. But let's go to an hourly. Obviously, if we lose it, we're going to look for prices to continue to pull. But that is about it on ES. Not really seeing anything else. So, there's ES. Let's head on over to SPY. Again, SPY did hit that 52-week high. Maybe we come back up and we test it. Anywhere from 459.44 all the way up to 460 would be a reject level for me. Again, prefer ES 52-week highs, but we'll see with the price action. Good morning, everybody. So watch 460 as far as a bounce. Again, same thing. We can just take this low to high right there. Watch 457 for a potential bounce. And then after that, I mean, SPY support 452 to 451.5. So that's about it for me on SPY. Even this area right here actually isn't too bad. 453.75. So just going to mark it, but would prefer this level down here. So we got that on SPY. Let's head on over to, let's check SPX. Okay, 4,600 is going to be big. And then SPX 52-week highs at 4607, I think it is. Shut up, Alexa. No. Turn off. Alexa, turn off. Thank you. 4607, 52-week highs. We'll look for a reject there. Cool. All right, SPX, ES, SPY. Take a look at NQ, QQQ, top of the morning. I believe. Okay, so we talked about this level. This daily demand on NQ has been huge. Again, I'm not too interested in trying to short NQ until it breaks below this daily demand. So if you guys remember this, we've talked about this in the past, well, last week before we touched it multiple times, saying how important it's going to be. And as we see, Thursday and Friday, we were not able to clear it. Every single time price came into the demand, they held it very nicely and pushed price up. So as far as QQQ, I am not willing to short this thing until it breaks that daily demand. And then at that point, we have room all the way down to the next daily demand, which is going to be down here. If that's the case, then I'll look for shorts. But as long as it stays above, I'm looking for continuation. So look for the push into 16,208. We're above. We have not gotten a daily candle close above 52-week highs yet, but we are above it. Still in that weekly fair value gap. Go to the 4 hours, see if we see anything. Nope. 4 hour demand inside of the daily demand. Other than that, though, not really seeing much. Cool. That's it on NQ. Let's take a look at QQQ. Then we'll look at some individuals, and then we will see what the economic news is. Yeah, she was. She clearly had a very good weekend, and party has not ended yet. She keeps trying to interrupt the live streams. But all we got today is factory orders. Tomorrow, PMI, ISM, job openings. Wednesday, ADP is going to be important with the jobless claims on Thursday. And then unemployment on Friday. So that's all we got. Cool. QQQ. Same thing. I mean, as long as we hold that daily demand, I don't see a reason to try to short until we start breaking below. And QQQ is kind of just in no man's land. Really. So not too much there. Let's go ahead and look through some individuals. I did have a pretty lengthy weekly watch list, so I do want to go over that with you guys. And if you're in T-Bull, I wasn't able to do the weekly market review yesterday. I was super busy. But
thanks for the sub.
Thanks for the subscribe. Did it pop up? There we go. A Biamba? Is that how you say it? Either or. Thanks for the sub. But with this BITO, I wanted to watch it for a swing. Unfortunately, we're definitely not going to be able to get that. Had a nice weekly gap that I was watching for the push and plus that daily squeeze, but that's definitely fired up. No longer interested in that. NVDA, looking for a pullback on this. Just mainly watching the fibs. Did I delete it? I think I did. Either way, just watching a video for this pullback. 448. If we get down there, maybe that happens. But as of right now, I don't really care about it. Meta. This I think it was the weekly squeeze that I was watching. Yes, weekly squeeze. That's on my soundboard. I got to get my soundboard set up again. But Meta looking for the pullback. Again, this is just stuff that you can watch kind of on the back end, just because I like these setups only if they pull back. So anything near that weekly 21 EMA on Meta, very interested in. XME, I really want to pull back on this. I missed the swing last week, but this can definitely start running, especially with GLD now cracking new highs, which is huge. But nice little monthly symmetrical triangle. Gonna watch that for a swing. TJX, look for a swing here. Question is, why was this? Oh, weekly squeeze. So that looks very, very interesting. Definitely going to keep a very close eye on that one for a swing this week. OIH, coin. Looking for a continuation on that. Actually, Jesus. This thing's up $13. I don't know about that one. That's a little too far-fetched. Yeah, we're definitely not touching that. I'll wait on a pullback for that, but that IV is going to be spiked. Crazy. GLD. Let's see, are we still holding those previous highs? No. So it looks like we came back down below. Okay, so nothing on GLD. Microsoft, I think that was another one I was looking for the pullback. Weekly 21 EMA. Or no, I'm watching this daily 21. 368. That could potentially go on the list today. It's not that far. So let's put Microsoft on the list. Roku. And again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button if you want this watch list. Remember, if you want half of the watch list, you got to run it up to 150 likes. If you guys want the whole watch list, you got to run it up to 200. So 150 for half, 200 for the whole. Roku, definitely very interested in this. I want to see the retest of 100 because we just broke it and never retested it. So definitely be very interested in that. And then let's run through the day trading watch list. Apple still consolidating, just sitting in a 4-hour squeeze. Not too interested. Skip over that. What's up? AMD don't care about. Amazon don't care about. Boeing don't care about. Coin, we already touched on that. Costco finally broke that cup and handle. Still thinking wants to test those 52-week highs or previous all-time highs up at 614. CRM, depending on liquidity, I don't know how much there's going to be. Let's see. It's very close to where I would be watching for a bounce. I mean, there's decent liquidity. It depends if it dries up, though. And the spreads. So CRM could get on the list today. We'll see. We already looked at GLD, Google. Very weak. IWM had that huge breakout. Not opposed to trading this, though. So that's a huge daily candle. Yeah, I mean, maybe an uptrend entry. Watch that. Meta. Again, we're looking for that pullback. Microsoft, same thing. NVIDIA, same thing. Netflix got absolutely obliterated. QQQ, we looked at Roku, Shopify. Still holding those highs. And then somebody asked about Tesla. Really, Tesla hasn't done much. So until Tesla starts trending, I'm not too interested in it. Because right now it's just consolidating. But as far as individuals, Microsoft, Roku, CRM, IWM. Those are what I like for individuals. Besides, I guess IWM's not an individual. We can look at the Russell. But yeah, in the meantime, any questions you guys got? We're gonna wait till 8:30 to start narrowing the list. So, any questions, any stocks? We'll take a look at Uber. Type them up in the chat. 1902 to 1930. Cool. Take a look at Uber for you. I mean, it looks like it's a straight shot in a 64. I personally wouldn't be chasing. I'd look for a pullback, but as far as the technicals, it looks like it wants it. Oh, I guess they had news. I mean, probably a bounce at that 1 hour 21 EMA is what I would watch. Personally. Yep, we can look at Riot, Mara. Hut had a reverse split. If you guys saw that. I think it was a 5-to-1. So Hut's now $12. But let's see, Riot. The issue is they're all gonna gap up. Which is I don't like to chase those gap ups, especially that's such a huge one. Let's see, does it say how much we're gapping up? Guess not. It's got a nice rounding bottom. It's just I would personally wait. It could continue to run, but it's up almost 13% pre-market. So for me, I wouldn't chase it up here. Could it continue? Absolutely. Same thing with Mara. Gapped up 15%. But that's just not something I'm willing to chase. I have no idea. I just bought a super expensive computer. Bought it from Micro Center. I don't know anything about computers, to be honest with you. Same thing with Master or MicroStrategy, whatever, MSTR. Done gapped up 8% on a $500 stock. Could it continue? Absolutely. If you want a high risk trade, I'll tell you that MSTR looks better for the break above 575, but you got to keep in mind, people are going to take profits. Absolutely will take profits. So the crypto names, they look good. Would I trade it up here? No. I prefer pullbacks. It depends how much it gaps up or gaps down. I mean, if MSTR gapped up to like 530 from where it closed, 527, that's okay, but it literally gapped up $50. That's not something I want to touch. Let's see, somebody said Baba. What on your swings could you share? You can get my scanner. It's on my website. I'll drop it in the chat for you. But the way I have it customized is private. I got more that I'm going to be putting out soon too. Been messing around with them. Yeah, I mean, like I said, they can continue to push. It's just, I like other stocks. Other stocks are better. All right, here we go. Here's the link if you want to go get that scanner. That's one of the many that I got. And again, make sure you guys are running up them likes. We got 180 people in here and only 80 likes. If you guys want this watch list, running up to 150. But as far as Baba reversal, not really seeing any signs as of now. But I also don't really trade China names. Cool. Is it 8:30? 1 minute. Then we narrow this list, we find some banger levels, and we have an amazing Monday. Yeah, I had a previous computer that I tried to build, and I demolished that thing, so I paid somebody else to do it, and then it broke a couple years later, so then I just went and bought a new one. I'm the last person in the world who should be building a computer. So, all right, 8:30, let's do this. Let's finalize some levels, see what we like, what we don't like, and then we'll go from there. So Microsoft, like I said, that daily 21 EMA is going to be a key level. 368.15. We're about $3 from it. So I think I'm just going to set an alert for the time being. Once we get down there, maybe it happens tomorrow, maybe at the end of the day. But would be very interested in that. Roku. It's about $2.50 away. I mean, if it pulled hard quickly, I would be interested in that Roku. So that might get on the list today. Might just be a side watch. CRM is definitely very close to the levels, but IWM is strong. See if the Russell's got any levels. Honestly, not really at all. It's a huge break with a lot of volume. Honestly, might just watch it for an uptrend entry. I think we're going to put 3 individuals on the list today. I don't know about CRM, actually. Still iffy about that one. But that did break. A lot of strength. There's nothing stopping it. From what I see. Depends if we hold that 254.50. Yeah, but stochastic is default. All right, let's finalize these ES levels, get that typed up. We know the individuals that we want to watch. And get ready to hit some bangers. All right. SPY. Let's see, 45, 79, 75. Yes, I did Tesla. Not interested. Trading in a weird spot. QQQ. Again, we're gonna have to use the NQ levels. All right, you guys need 50 more likes for half of the watch list. You're getting there. Slowly but surely. QQQ. Using NQ levels. What's that? 15, 825, 215, 897, 0.75. Man, boom. I want to know how to get that subscriber goal to update. That's bothering me. It's slacking. Also, if you're not subscribed and you want to see your name pop up with a cool little animation, highly suggest it. And just because there's a lot of education on this channel, and I go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Until price loses daily demand. There we go. But yeah, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Over 800 videos, free live streams. Now subscribed, you are definitely missing out. Daily demand, no good rejects. That's yeah. There's QQQ, Roku. See if we can find a bounce on IWM. See, we got very close to what I would have watched for a bounce. And we didn't test it. We got demand, but it's way down there. Yeah, not really any good bounces. So we'll just watch IWM for an uptrend entry. Awesome. Let's give this to Team Bull real quick. Channel members, you guys are going to get it as well. If you're not a YouTube channel member or a member inside of the Discord, you guys will get this once we hit 150 likes. And then if you want the whole watch list, 200. Everything I am watching. Yep, we'll look at UPS here in a second. Everything I am watching today. Hold on 1 second. There we go. All right. Discord members got it. YouTube channel members, you're about to get it. And then we're going to take a look at some other stocks that you guys wanted. Boom, channel members, you got it. And how many likes we at? Let's see, we got 175 people in here and 125 likes. You guys are 25 likes away from half of the watch list. Let's see, you wanted me to look at UPS. Take a quick look at that for you. It looks like it might try to do an inverse head and shoulders. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I mean, looking at this, if it's going to try to do an inverse head and shoulders, it should push up to 158, but then I would look for it to reject, come back down, and then come back up. So that's what I would look at there. What is that? CUTR. Penny stock, wouldn't touch it. Hut did a inverse split. So definitely not something I would touch. All crypto names personally wouldn't touch today, especially just because they're gapping up huge amount. But we did hit price target number 1. Next one's 48,000. Daily squeeze fired up. My crypto portfolio is looking beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Walmart. I think we talked about this last week. I wouldn't touch this personally. Maybe at the monthly 21 EMA, but that's at 149. 149 to 150. Doesn't look bad. What other questions we got? Or stocks? I use DX feed. Right there. So XCME DX feed. But yeah, hopefully I see a lot of people have started using Bookmap, which I love. I think it's very helpful, especially if you're trading SPY or QQQ or even futures. So you want to trade gold futures? Boom. If it's even going to load. Unless they switch contracts. I don't think they did. Or it's just not loading. I don't know. Maybe I have the wrong one. But yeah, you trade NQ, ES, SPY, QQQ, SPX, whatever it is. Bookmap is very, very helpful. And like I said, I love seeing a lot of people are using it now. I think I've been using it for, I don't know, almost a year. I'd say around almost a year. Maybe like 9 months, 10 months. Yeah, no, actually it has been a year because I have a video from a year ago using it. 2 of them. I like it. Yeah, we can take a look at Oxy. Hold on, I think I might have the top viewed video for Bookmap. Do I? Ah, that's why it's GCG. Nope, never mind. Besides actual Bookmap. Close. We're close up there. Let's see. What did you want me to look at? RCB. ARCB. That monthly looked really good for a swing. I mean, your day to get in would have been here. Just because it closed, it had that squeeze, it closed above the daily 21 EMA. This would have been the day with a stop below here. Netflix don't care about. Maybe swing puts. I don't typically swing puts on individuals. I'll do it on SPY or QQQ, but I wouldn't try to swing puts on Amazon just because, I mean, it's still holding above that daily 21 EMA. Nothing about price action is saying that it's going to go down. Could it go down, of course, but I'm not seeing any signs of weakness on the higher time frames. So I personally wouldn't. But you might see something different. That's just what I'm seeing, though. Are we at 150 yet? We're at 134. I'll give you guys 7 more minutes to at least hit 150 if you want half of the watch list today. So you guys need 16 more likes on the live stream, and you will get half of the watch list. If you don't hit 150 by 8:50, keep the watch list private for channel members and Discord members only. Home Depot. Blew through that 61.8. I mean, the Dow is strong. I still think that the Dow wants to go up and reach that 127 extension up at 39,000. Let's see. Oxy. I guess it depends on Mr. Warren Buffett if he's going to buy or sell. But I don't like anything here. Maybe is it squeezing on the monthly? Okay, yes. So it's got a very nice monthly squeeze. It's really going to depend on this monthly 21 EMA if we continue to close above it. So that's my thoughts on Oxy. I would continue to keep an eye on that. Degen sentiment on snow. Let's see what I can do for you. Let's see. We already hit that 4-hour 21 EMA. Held it as support. I mean, I would see how it reacts to that 4-hour 21 EMA. That's the only level I'd personally watch right now for possible bounces. So, and then that resistance point has been huge up here. But that's about it on snow. Kind of in the middle until it proves that this could be a bounce. To become a YouTube channel member, you just head on over to my channel. Click that button right there that says join. Right there. Boom. I also realized on Friday when I was doing the live stream, because I switched you guys from my right monitor to my left, I was like showing you guys something on the wrong screen. But yeah, to become a YouTube channel member, you just head on over here, click join. There's YouTube channel member only videos, trade recaps, market prep, bootcamp videos, other channel member only videos as well. So yeah, you guys get access to all those and the live or in the watch list every day. But yeah, looks like a bull flag to me. Yeah, I mean, it looks like a bull flag, but it's all really going to depend on this. 5 more likes. And yes, we are going to run it up into 2024. And I'm very excited because I'm switching the way that I trade in 2024. And I think I'm going to have, I have a good feeling that 2024 will be my biggest year. Just if everything is executed correctly and I follow my plan and don't let emotions get to me, I think 2024 will be huge, especially if we do get a bull market, because that is where I thrive for swings. And we talked a little bit about it on Friday, how it's going to switch or change, I should say. I'm excited. There we go. We hit 150. Look at that. Was that so hard? I give you guys half the watch list today. Let's see. SPY. I'll give you guys SPY. As always, none of this is a trading recommendation. Everything talked about in this live stream is going to be based on my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your due diligence, use your proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. So I'll give you guys SPY, I guess QQQ, because Roku and IWM, they're just very basic. So if you guys are paying attention, you know exactly what I'm watching on both of those. But I will give you SPY and QQQ. And that is everything I am watching today. Besides that Roku and IWM, and then CRM on the side. But yeah, let's continue to crush it last month of the year. Make sure you guys follow your plans. Don't go into 2024 on a bad note. Make sure you guys take 5-10 minutes, write down your December trading goals if you haven't already. We got, 40 minutes until market opens, so you can definitely get it done before. Follow that plan. Start 2024 on the right foot. But that's everything from me today, unless anybody else has questions. As always, thank you for the subscribe. But as always, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Again, over 800 videos live every single morning. If you're not subscribed, you're missing out. But yeah, everybody have a blessed day. Let's run it up. Let's print. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10, 15 minutes. Of course, my man. Everybody take it